Hi everyone, good morning and welcome to my channel. I want to show you how to remove background from your videos. This background you're seeing on this video is a fake background, and I'm going to show you how I remove it from CapCut. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your phone screen and look for CapCut. If you don't have it, go to Play Store and download it. So when the CapCut app open, you see new project. Click on new project. It's going to take you to your phone gallery where the video you want to edit is. All you need to do is to choose the video, and then it will go into the editing software. When the video is here, you can see it's playing. So you look down, click on the video and go down. Then you scroll all these tools to the left. You will see remove PG. Click on the remove PG, and then you click on auto remove. When you click on auto remove, you can see the background is off. So all you need to do right now, after removing the background, you need to replace it with the background that you want. So this background, you must have downloaded a background from Pinterest or from any other website that you have a copyright free images. Let's say you go to Google and look for a background to put on your videos. So let me walk you through to my phone. This is my phone gallery, so I'm looking for a background that I will put here. Now I choose that one and then I put it. That is all you need. So after you must have add the background that you need. If you don't like that particular background, you can still go back and change the background. Then you do all your necessary settings and click export. So you export it to your phone.